Episode 5 Locked in Fear. So, after Tony got used to my hand, things progressed a bit too quickly. Alright, Tony, time to get back into your case. Okay? Oh, now, stop trying to be cute. Get on the perch. Okay, stay cool. Now, stay. Tony! I was closing it! That's dangerous! He didn't want to be inside the cage anymore. After all the playing, who would? So we played for a few more hours. Fly! Flap, flap. Okay, now it's time to sleep. Stop that. I really tried. Get inside, okay? Let's play next time. No more. I'm sorry. Promise next time, okay? But I felt sad somehow. Seeing toy clicking the gate like that, clicking, it looked too pitiful. Tony climbed to look for abandoning him, so at night he tried real hard. Do Budgie need to the cage? How do you like me in the cage? Lock up in your fear. Ow, big Tony!